So now it's ready, guys. Look at the prawns. It's ready to eat. Let's test it. So this video I'm gonna cook the buttered prawns. This is the prawns, 1 kilo prawns, and the garlic, spring onions, and the spring onions, the hard part of the spring onions, and the butter. So let's cook, guys. So this one I need to clean. Okay, and this one like that. So ini atong i-remove ang kuan sa ni ang iyahang tinaing. We need to clean, so it's hard to clean. Okay. So I just need to add a little bit of oil because now the oil is hot. I put some garlic. The garlic. And now the onions. Yeah, so I will put an oil first so that the butter, because this is buttered chicken, the butter will not burn. And now the spring onions, the hard part of the spring onions. We'll soak this one. Ako siyang kung anong kay man. Now we need to put the butter. Only put the 1/4 of the butter, not much. Yeah. So now the butter, na-melt na siya. Lagay na natin ang prawns. Lagay na natin ang prawns. Okay. Ayan siya. So we need to mix it properly. Like that. So now I need to add the ground black pepper. And the salt. Because ang akong garlic nga gibutang unsalted garlic. So that's why you need to add salt. Mix it. Okay. Oh, it's nice smell. Really lovely smell. Okay. Yeah. Now I will put the spring onions, guys. The spring onions. Mix it. Then i-mix. So now yan, let's mix it. Atong i-mix na to siya. And then let's put the 1 crush of lemon. Just a little bit. Mayra itong ibutang kay kuan. Aslom siya. Now, it's okay now. I think it's okay now, guys. Yeah, it's ready. As simple as this. Simple cooking for me. Nothing special. I don't know. This prawns is not really fresh. I forget the flour. A little bit of flour. Flour, and then so to make the para lapot siya ihang sabaw ba. Para lapot siya kaayo. And then a little bit of lemonade juice to to add a nice flavor. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. Let's cover it first. Then later we need to... So now let's check. Okay, it's ready. It's ready na. So luto na siya. So it's already done. I'm done cooking. So I'll put this one here in the plates. Empty plates. Yeah. Let's taste later if it's nice. But I taste this one already. It's nice. I love it. The taste is good, perfect. But I will show you again. So we put everything in here. So it's okay. This is small plates, but okay ra siya kahit kung ano yung iguan siya. Ako siyang gibatangan og rice flour. I put the rice flour para kung ano siya. Para lapot yang sabaw. Kamay ra na rice flour akong gibutang. So let's taste. Let's taste this one. Let's taste, guys. So now it's ready, guys. Look at the prawns. It's ready to eat. Let's test it. So the and here yahang unod lami siya. All the ingredients is absorbed. That's it, guys. Yummy, delicious, really delicious. Ten out of 10. That's my own cooking. Nice. Really, like you can feel the taste is really nice. So this one, guys, so this one is look, yeah, I don't know, this prawns is not really fresh, but it's okay, it's all good. Yeah, it's frozen. Ako siya gipalit frozen. I bought this one, it's already frozen, but it's really nice. So let's eat again, guys. So I feel so hungry, really hungry. Look at the iyahang soup. It's dikit kayo siya, dikit. Malagkit iyahang soup. Kaya ako siyang gibutangan og rice flour. Gibutangan ako siya rice flour, so lagkit kay siya. So this is one of my favorite food. Look at. Super delicious. Really nice smell. And the aromatic of the everything is here. Yeah, I'm not a professional cook, but I know how to cook the simple food. And perfect. So this one, I cannot finish this one. I'll think it lasts for me like around 3 days. If I don't finish, then I put this one in the freezer. So yeah, that's it. That's the video from now, guys. So I hope you like it. Hopefully you like it, my video. I'm not a perfect cook. I'm not a professional chef, but I can cook homemade. I cannot cook everything, but yeah, but trying my best. Because we don't have a cook at home, so we need to learn how to cook. Depends on you. If you want, if your passion is learn how to cook, then really nice. Actually, this is 1 kilo. This is 1 kilo. And it's a big prawns. Yeah. Not bad at all. 1 kilo costs 15 pounds. But in my country, this is more cheaper. 1 kilo is, I think, around 5 pounds. In my country. $5, $4, like that. But here, it's so expensive. Everything is expensive here. So that's why. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like my video. If you need some comments about the way I cook, so I accept yeah, that akong gingon sa inyo ha, I'm not a professional cook. Yeah. So hopefully you like my video, and hopefully click like, then connect to me, subscribe to my channel. So hopefully more cook next week. More cook next week, guys. So yeah, I'm done cooking now. So this one later I put this one in the fridge. Yeah, I put this one in the fridge. Then after that, then later I will eat my dinner. If I eat this one, I will prawns, and I will put a little bit of rice. Yeah, not only prawns I cook, because for me, rice is life. I eat rice every day. So, yeah, I eat rice every day. Dinner, I eat rice. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. See you in my next video.